Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To act as a delegate to another's Outlook account after they grant you delegate access, click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. Then click the Open and Export command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Other Users folder button to the right. The Open Other Users folder dialog box then appears. Here you can click the Name button to open the Select Names dialog box, where you can select the name of the individual whose Outlook account you need to access. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box to return to the Open Other Users folder dialog box. Then use the Folder Type drop-down to select which folder to access. Finally, click the OK button to then open the selected user's selected folder in Outlook.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.